Bye.
Hey man, say man, it's your boy Dejan. All about the Benjamin zone. 45, 47. On a real note, on a real tip, got another workout for y'all. It'll be a leg day, quick little leg day, man.
What would this town do without you, SpongeBob?
Oh, my leg! My leg!
Got a nice little leg day ready for y'all. Hopefully my baby do it with me. You gonna do it with me? You gonna lie to him or what?
I'm a cameraman.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, there we go. We got a yes. So I'm already ready. I'm drinking my pre-workout right now. I'm gonna wait for that to set in for a second. And then it'll be on and popping, man. I'll see y'all at the gym, man. Like the video, subscribe to the channel so I can get more videos out for y'all so y'all can get in shape. And y'all can see how I get in shape. Word up. Peace. Home away from home. We here. What's up, dog? Cooling. Oh, it's a little packed again today. Everybody trying to come out. Oh, there he is. What's up, player? Doing all right, man?
Oh, just wrapping up.
Yeah?
Just finished up.
Oh, yeah? What'd you work today?
Titties.
Titties? Good shit. Take it easy, bro. All right, y'all, man. We're going to get leg day going. I'm going to hop on this treadmill, get warmed up a little bit, stretch. You know, try to keep my body healthy. Then I'm going to get in the mix with all these folks. You feel me? First thing we're doing today is narrow leg press. 3 sets of 8. Might do 3 sets of 6. Nah, 3 sets of 8. So we're gonna get popping on leg press. But narrow stance, make sure you get a narrow stance. There's a lot of people over there, so I don't wanna disrespect nobody having them in my video. And I definitely don't feel like asking everybody if they don't mind me recording. But I'm gonna get over there, get set up, and we're gonna get popping on the leg press. Let's have a good day, baby. Hey man, good job on the leg presses. Man, I love leg presses. They, I don't, especially when you variate the width of your feet. It changes where it hits on your thighs and on your hamstrings and on your quads. And I don't know, I just like the position that you're doing it in. It feels like it's more legs and kind of using some of your back. But now we're gonna get power squats. It'll be 3 sets of 6. Like I said, they're power squats. So you want to throw weight on them, and it's only 6 reps on each set. So push that weight, man. Push your limits. Put your guardrails up, just to do like your safety bars or whatever. Just so if you do fail it, it's protecting you. Because that's what I go for every time, is to fail a set. If I fail a set, then I feel accomplished, because I'm gonna finish the set anyway. kicked my butt on them squats. But that's what you should be doing every time, man. It should be a struggle to get that last 1 or 2 reps. I love it. I love when I do that, man. That's when I see all my progress. That's when I start seeing that I'm getting stronger and that I'm able to push further. But we're done with power squats. Now we're on the lying leg curl. But you're gonna do a single leg, 8 on each side, 3 sets. That's all it is, man. Just make sure you're controlling the weight. Make sure you're getting all the way to your butt and lower it all the way down, but do not overextend with when you're letting it down. Kind of keep still attention. Try to keep attention on your hamstrings and control the weight. Let's get to it. All right, man. Last but not least, we got Bulgarian split squats. These will work a lot on your balance and a lot of isolation and the strength of your legs. But these are a little challenging, but when you do them, make sure you're getting your foot out far enough from the bench so that, you know, you can still get 90 degrees with your body or with your knees. When you go down, you can get 90 degrees, but you can also keep your chest up. You don't want to be bending over and your chest be facing down. You know what I mean? You want to keep your chest straight and you want to go down even on that leg. But man, I hope y'all enjoying this workout. Let's get these Bulgarian split squats out the way. So that's it, y'all. That's a wrap. That's leg day. I hope y'all pushed through it, man, and I hope y'all had a great workout. Gotta love leg day. Mama's already in the car. It kind of whooped her ass, so she already in the car and a little grumpy. But it was a great day, man. I love leg day. Like I told y'all, usually I'd throw some calves in there, but I kind of pushed myself real hard in squats and deadlifts, so I was like, I did enough. But I hope y'all like the workout, man. Y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, show me some love, and I'll see y'all in the next one, man. Peace.